Me telling you already, you know. We not gonna lose reggae music, you know. I don't think I joke me a blood clot making it. No, no come and talk about people that thief on the music. Oh, no give it that long blood clot time. Trust me. First of all, we don't support reggae music.
True.
So don't expect we reggae artists to win reggae Grammy.
True.
The genre we have Jamaica's full support right now is dancehall.
Huh?
It doesn't sound like the real dancehall, but I that them a support no. Saying? Huh? And guess what? Grammy not have no dancehall category. Huh? You see me I say? So we don't expect Spice to win reggae album.
Huh?
The look white you them heard real reggae music. Got inspired by real reggae music and start the reggae music. Saying white people hear them music and start support them. Saying straight. Saying they became the great white hopes of reggae music. What we do with our reggae artists? Push them aside for a trap dancehall.
Yes. So, well, I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentle G's. My name is Negusimara. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, by hitting notification bell so we can grow the farm. You understand? Yeah, man. So, we're not long talking because I know every Jamaican vex right now. You understand? I say, including me. Yeah, man. Me say, a band comprised of white men from Virginia in America here won the best reggae album at the Grammys. You understand what I say? So, them dog do conscious music, we have to big them up. Yeah, we have to big them up. But at the end of the day, I don't think Soulja deserve to win. Zin? No, I have a few people to blame here. Because Jesse Royal, Sean Paul, Itana, Spice, well, Spice is considered dancehall, but the world look at dancehall as a subgenre of reggae. So she's going to fall in that category regardless. You understand what I say? So, none of our people won who had great works. None of them never win nothing. Why is that? We're going to get into that in this video because I'm very pissed. You see me? And I'm here to blame 3 different set of people. The first set of people we're going to blame are the government. The second is the artists them. And the third, you. You me a blame. Yes, you. We are watching this right now. You understand what I say? You me attack. You. And if this not have nothing to do with you, then don't take offense. But if you take offense, you may attack. You understand what I say? So let's get into the video, ladies and gentle G's. Let's go. So now we are talking about who is to blame for none of the Jamaican artists who were nominated winning the Grammy, all right, of 2022 for the best reggae album. Right? So now, the government, how does the government play a part in us losing the Grammy? You want to know how the government play a part in us losing the Grammy? Because the government for many, many years have been fighting out the Jamaican culture for no reason at all. Well, what reason could they fight the Jamaican culture for? Maybe you're ashamed of it. Maybe one or two tighty have stick broken on a batty wall to which power no one fight even the Rastaman where smoke him split on the ends, but to not have him picture blood clot tourism and put up about Irie and one love and one bag of fuckery. You understand me? I said Jamaican government wanna move like some big dunce, some educated fools where Bob Marley and every other conscious artist that talk about uno fool. You understand me? I say uno so fool that uno even want ban one of the words them we come up with, one of the words them that is sought after in many places, especially Europe, where white people, they will be white people. You understand what I say? You remember the video where Spice that talk about the word bumbleclat and all the Jamaican government want ban bumbleclat, but Europe have a festival on named bumbleclat. You check that video right quick.
Anyway, welcome. I just leave England. I'm in Belgium today for the festival. But may I make that video here to show you the name of the festival. Come over here, so to the festival. X, what the festival name? The festival name, Bumbleclap Music Festival, right here in Belgium. I'm tell you something. I just make the video because maybe it can reach the head of the Prime Minister in Jamaica. This are the word we want to fight to fight. If we call it on stage, if we call it out on stage, we get locked up and we get charged feet. My thing is, why is it that the things them we don't like about Jamaica, I eat the people them love, I eat the tourists them love. We fight out that word, you want to lock up, we charge with feet, but it are the word where the people them love. You know, I feel like them are going to make someone named Jamaica right here in Europe. Them are going to put a white sand pan it, get some Rastaman pan it, put some weed pan it, and people are going to come to Jamaica and do as them feel like, because we not fight out the things that people love about we. When we travel, and this is the first word where the tourists artists them ask me for cause Bumbleclad. You have a rum name Bumbleclad. Why is it that people make money off of the things that we uno fight out against me? My fans are here. My fans are here.
Take them, tell them. What's the name of the festival?
I love you too. What's the name of the festival? Bumbleclad.
So we can stop the video there. You can find this video on YouTube right now. You understand what I say? This is Spice at a festival a few years ago. The name of the festival is Bumbleclad in Europe. But if one of these same artists that is performing at a festival named Bumbleclad, if I use that Bumbleclad word on stage to Bumbleclad, then I'm gonna get Bumbleclad lock up. You understand what I say? On the Jamaican government, on a fool and on incompetent, on go blood class school, go to book work, but on a dunce. You understand what I say? Everything we una fight out is what other people are gravitate to. I don't know yet to see that. Una yet to see the same thing we una fight out. Other people are hug up and a worship and a love. Do you know how much murals Bob Marley have all over the world? Do you know how much murals Bob Marley have all over the world? But yet still if you see a Rastaman about one split for one boss off him, that's what I say. When you fight out Jamaican culture, when you fight out art, when you don't even have a reggae hall. When you don't even have a reggae stadium to which part, you don't know, say the sound top tier, when you have a nice little place where you can go and artists can perform, when you don't even have a reggae hall. When you don't have nothing for reggae music, when you don't even promote reggae music. You don't. All you do is fight Jamaican culture. So when the Jamaican people say, "Una fight the culture," what gonna happen? If the culture is not being promoted or perpetuated, the people are going to gravitate to some other different culture. Right now, Jamaica have something named trap dancehall. What the fuck is that? It is a mixture of dancehall and hip-hop music. That's what the fuck it is. You see me? It's not a blood clot mixture of dancehall music and Afrobeats. The Jamaican, them go to America. Instead of them go to Africa, them go to Jamaica. Don't get me wrong, I love some of these music too. I like it. I'm not even going to cap. I'm going to like the man them now chop. I'm like some of the song them, some of the even the most disgusting song. I like it because it got a nice beat. And that's how them catch you. With a fuckery. Nice beat and saying A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and S, T, S, O. I mean to like me a biggie that more time. See? So Jamaican government, if you see all these things, how we are loved worldwide, down to the words that we even make up. Una try lock up people from words that are made up. Bumbleclad is not a real word, you dunce fuck. You Jamaican government, everyone who are fight out reggae music, who go suck on the mother. Each and everyone out there, but on both sides. All independent party. If you don't like dancehall music or reggae music, or suck your mother because you don't help the people them with nothing. So right now, who we gonna blame second of all? Because we just don't blame the government, you know. We're going to blame the artists. See, and this is not for the artists that we actually are putting in the good works. You understand what I say? When I thought the conscious reggae artists that we are putting, I thought what the people them who make fuckery music, decadence. All you know a blood clot chat about a scamming and blood clot chop. Don't forget chopping on the blood clot that can fuckery and sing. All I say, it's some nice beats. The beats them nice. But when our blood clot say a fuckery. See? And I say this and I will continue to say it. Music contribute, it depends on what the music is. Music can influence. Music can kill and music can cure. Majority of the music we are coming to Jamaica right now that is most popular is music that will kill. The music that we are coming to Jamaica that is the most popular is not conscious. Check the levels. What are the most popular songs right now coming out of Jamaica? 90% of them reggae, dancehall music. Killing. Fuck out galol, bust out tomorrow. We are scam and make money. That come out of Jamaica right now. You understand what I say? And just again, I don't want it to sound like, oh, I'm complaining, but then again, me over here, so I listen to it, you know what I mean? That is some form of hypocrisy indeed. But I'll tell you this right here. If I have to sacrifice trap, dancehall, trap or flap, dancehall, I'm gonna fuck you and sing, I would kill that genre just so Jamaica can be a better place. I would shit on that genre just so Jamaica can be a better place. Because me I tell the dog them said 90% of what I sing a fuckery. Repetitive. Remember one time punchline was a thing. No, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. That one a blood clot sing over and over again. We are chop, we are fuck out galol, we are banging line, we are boss man marrow. Spell blood clot psychosis. That more want to know. Spell psychosis. Since you know blood clot bad man, you know bad man, me a bad man too. Go do a spelling bee. Go do a spelling. Don't shoot me. Don't stab me. Go do a spelling bee. Spell mathematics. Where bro like say M-A.
Mathematics. M-A. English. H. Rascal.
90% of the most popular music coming out of, and this is just me creating numbers now. This is not no statistics that is taken and no data that is taken. I'm just speaking randomly. I'm just pulling a number out there. I feel like majority of the music that's coming out of Jamaica cannot go nowhere. Want to know why it cannot go nowhere? Because all you talk about is killing. All you talk about is banging. Fuck up y'all all. I want my god a fuckery. See? That's what I talk about. So, if we was putting out, can you imagine if we have all 10 artists with all a Bob Marley or a Peter Tosh blood clot caliber? Now, white boy could win blood clot, what you call it? Grammy? Now, white boy could win Grammy? If we win Grammy and the whole of Jamaica states our support, and we say, yeah. We love our artists. Our artists are win. Can I put on the music for the blood clot vote? And who is the voting? Who did the voting for the Grammy? Because a lot of people are saying, oh, them white men are win. Let me tell you something. It not have to do nothing to do with race, so to speak. Because you see, if this a white Jamaican win, nobody would say, oh, the white man here go. Even though some white Jamaican, they're still white. But if this some white Jamaican win, nobody would say, oh, the white man here. People are saying, oh, the white man here because a foreign them come from. And about the blood clot know them. So who the blood clot vote for them so them can win? I'm here to answer that question because it's not regular people like me and you vote for them bumbo clot man. You understand what I say? I'm show no levels because I make sure I go do my research. See? Alright, who makes up the Recording Academy? Recording Academy members are classified as either voting professional or student members. In short, voting members are artists, producers, musicians, those involved firsthand with the creation of the music. Professional members are music industry professionals, while student members are those studying to be involved in the music industry. Zine, all right. Who can vote for the Grammy Awards? Only Recording Academy voting members are eligible to vote for the Grammy Awards. This means that Grammy winners are determined by the artists, musicians, songwriters, and producers' peers. That means that regular people like me and you can't vote. See, because if that was the case, I don't think these white men from America would win. And again, if I did some white Jamaican win reggae album, I don't think Jamaicans would be going this crazy. If it was some white Jamaicans who won this award, I don't think everybody would be going that crazy. But as some white man from foreign, who are these men that are doing Jamaican music? Let's continue. Who is eligible to win the Grammy Awards? Nominees in each of the 84 Grammy Award categories do not have the Recording Academy members themselves. Do not have to be Recording Academy members themselves. However, their work does need to be submitted by either a Recording Academy member or registered media company. Eligibility is determined based on the period of October 1st of the previous year through August 31st of the current year. See? So what that means is, for the 2022 Grammy Awards, voters should be considering work done in the period of September 1st, 2020 to September 30th, 2021. More technically speaking, according to the Recording Academy, recordings must be commercially released in general distribution in the United States, i.e. sales by label to a branch or recognized independent distributor via the internet or mail order retail sales for a nationally marketed product. Zane, so I think if regular people could have voted, I don't think a name like Soulja would even be nominated in this category. Because Sean Paul, I believe, is way more known than Soulja. Even Spice is way more known than Soulja. I wouldn't say Jesse Royal, I don't know. Jesse Royal have a buzz, but I don't know how it is outside of Jamaica. I know Grammy has been doing his thing for Grammy doing thing from a time. But I don't know how his buzz is outside of Jamaica and in Europe. But I know reggae have a buzz outside of Jamaica, heavy. But I don't know how their individual buzz is. But if regular people had to vote like me and you, Sean Paul, Spice, or even Rihanna would have win. Grammy, somebody would have win. Huh? How is it that you have some people, and again, I will say it, I'm not pointing out them skin color to be racist. I'm pointing out them skin color because these men are from foreign. If I did some white Jamaican win, Jamaicans would not be going this crazy. You have some Jamaicans who would have rule, but not majority of them. Because why? Out of many one people. That's the matter we live by. So if a white Jamaican did win, who wouldn't go so crazy? But them white men are from Blood Clot Virginia. Who they were sing by the one drop? I think I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear that. I rather hear skin out my pum pum. I'm not going to lie to you. I rather, as much as I listen to them Blood Clot song there, I rather hear skin out me pum pum. Panny body shake your wine and a boom boom boom. Then anyway, go continue. Now, the last set of people we are going to get blame is the citizens of Jamaica. Why would I blame the citizens of Jamaica? The same people who vex right now, very disgruntled because they have some white males from Virginia who won Best Reggae Album. Why, Negus, why would I blame the citizen? Because when they don't support the blood clot artists, when they don't support reggae music, when they don't support consciousness. As I said earlier in this video, the most popular songs that are coming out of Jamaica right now is not even conscious. See? As some boogie, you gotta chop them and we are shooting your blood clot face and we are fuck a girl and we are spend some money. That is what's coming out of Jamaica. What's coming out of Jamaica right now is violence, hypersexuality. And one bag of decadence. You don't even buy dancehall music, so I don't even expect you to buy reggae music. You don't even buy dancehall music for me to even think you can buy reggae music. Me remember one time, when me a little boy, younger, now my teens, you did have a period of time in a Jamaica where culture music they run the place. One drop with him. Dan call himself some bad culture with him. You understand? Drop leaf. Zin? Whole heap of bad rhythm. Lone culture, even when I sing culture, dancehall artists, them, they are suffer. Because I'm say, culture music around the place. When you cry, I cry. Culture music, they run the place. Zin, everybody did love culture music. Them time there, the girl, them, they are sing about all. Remember, the girl, them, say them in love and a one man, them want, them want a two man, them not cheat. Them time, they are good music, they run the place. Nowadays, I don't know why I hear that. We want to hear, we are bust a shot in your face. And you're out tomorrow. We are put them here in the ground so we can see where you think. We are shooting your nose so you can smell the bullet. Fuck. So you as the Jamaican people, watching them white man, I got accept them award. Best thing you can do is shut a blood clot mouth. Best thing you can do is shut a blood clot mouth. If you never buy a blood clot album from a Jamaican artist yet or buy a song from a Jamaican artist, move your bum buckle and shut them out. You don't ever dare get vexed. If you never buy a blood clot song from an artist, or an album from an artist that coming out of Jamaica, don't vex, say Soulja win. Do not each up your blood clot, big thinking mouth to come talk about, the white man win. The white man, you never buy a blood clot album or a song from a Jamaican artist yet. Who the fuck are you to go be complaining? You don't even support your artists. You don't even support your artists. You don't even support your friends and your family. You don't want discount for everything. Discount this, discount that. I'm going to play on a video right now for you to see what I'm going because it's not me alone that pray them ways. I want to listen to listen to Father right now because that gentleman, him have it right. I want to listen to him right now.
Mr. tell you already, we're not going to lose reggae music, I don't think I joke me a blood clot making. No, no come and talk about people that thief on the music. Oh, no gonna give it that long blood clot time. Trust me. First of all, we don't support reggae music.
True.
So don't expect we reggae artists to win reggae Grammy.
True.
The genre we have Jamaica's full support right now is dancehall.
Huh?
It doesn't sound like the real dancehall, but I got them a support no. Seeing? And guess what? Grammy not have no dancehall category.
Huh?
You see me I say? So we don't expect Spice to win reggae album.
Huh?
The little white you them heard real reggae music, got inspired by real reggae music and start the reggae music. Seeing? White people hear them music and start support them. Seeing? Straight. Seeing? They became the great white hopes of reggae music. What we do with our reggae artists? Push them aside for a trap dancehall.
Trap dancehall. We push our good conscious artists them for boogie yaga. You understand what I say? And listen, I'm not gonna act like I'm the saint. I listen to that shit. But let me tell you this, is if me have to sacrifice that genre for Jamaica get better and pump out some better music, it can go on, man. It can go on. It can go on. It can go on. Don't tell me so we don't have money for buying an album from the blood clot artist, you know. We don't have the most blood clot expensive clocks and the most expensive this and the most expensive that. We not real. Someone in Jamaica right now, we have be a name brand. I want to talk about the one name fake neither. We don't have some real name brand. So stop it. So stop it. You know, I hear about another one. Oh, we broke. Oh, you're broke. But look, you have a blood clot, $5,000 blood clot shoes. You have a blood clot, a shirt and a pants that cost $5,000 in America. Can you imagine that? Almost $1 million in Jamaica. You say you have a $1 million outfit at Jamaica. But you can't buy an artist song for 99 cents or $1.99. Or you can't buy an album for $10. Because you're not ball on a friend. You're not telling a friend for going to discount. So you're not going to support nobody. Some of them artists that will get banned from foreign country can't even keep a show in them own country and no come out and support it so them can maintain them level and maintain themselves and still have a salary come in after them perform. Not salary, little money come in after them performance. Them can't even hold a show. I win. Sizzler. The man them who burn out certain things and get banned from certain countries can't travel and them can't even do show in them own country by themselves and people come out and support. Don't you ever fix your stinking mouth to come talk about all them white man you win. Shut up. You chat too much and go buy some Jamaican album and buy some Jamaican song. Because if you look, when I read the thing earlier, how do you win a Grammy? What's the process? They are voters. Zine, we're voting on 84 different category. And that's who they came out with. Soldier. Some white man from blood clot America. So you tell me who no one blame? Me I blame everybody, all me I get blamed too. All me I get blamed too. But I buy people album. I buy Jamaican album. So I'm somewhat different from you. I don't know, maybe you know what to think. You understand what I say? I don't know what to think in that video. My name is Negusimara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I said that already in the intro. Just like the video. Share, comment. I don't know what to think. You don't know. One nation. Up move!